Welcome to solverfy.
All right, for a t distribution with 4 degrees of freedom, we want to find the probability that t is greater than or equal to negative 1.6 to at least 3 decimal places. So I'm going to show you this on the decimals graphing calculator, and you can find this if you go to functions and you want a t distribution, go under distributions, and it'll ask for degrees of freedom. And so this is 4 degrees of freedom. Click the CDF, and then we can say greater than or equal to negative 1.6 would be from negative 1.6 to infinity. And so it'd be 0.908 to 3 decimal places. And then for part B, if we consider a t distribution with 23 degrees of freedom, we want to find the value of c such that the probability of t is between negative and positive c, and it's equal to 0.95. Well, since the t distribution is symmetric, we can find the value of c that leaves 2.5% probability in each tail of the distribution. And using a t-table or a calculator, we find that the t-value that leaves 2.5% probability in the right tail of the distribution is about 1.714. So we have the probability, this is the same thing as the probability of t is less than negative c plus the probability of t is greater than c is equal to 0.05, the difference of 1 and 0.95. And since we know that the probability that t is greater than 1.714 is 0.025, we can solve for c, that the probability of t is greater than c is 0.025. And then we can do an inverse and get 2.069. We can confirm this back on decimals. From negative 2.069 to positive 2.069, we get, I was like, why isn't that working? 23 degrees of freedom is 0.95.